Guys, we all have 5 fingers on our hands, but if you think 5 fingers isn't enough, here's one gadget that can help give us another finger to work with. And do you fancy a wallet that will be on fire as soon as you open it? Or have you ever seen a bike that runs like a horse and flies like a kite? If you've never heard of these gadgets, today is your chance to do so. We would like to welcome you to the amazing world of cool gadgets here at Gadget Hub. Today, we're going to show you 10 such gadgets, which will leave you with an irresistible temptation to buy them. You can find their purchase links in the video description below. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and set the notifications to all. Now, without further ado, let's begin this amazing journey. Fire Wallet. Let's begin with the Fire Wallet. We all have a wallet, don't we? But what if you came across a wallet that did a lot more than keeping your money and valuables safe inside? That's what the Fire Wallet is all about. It's a wallet that will go ablaze as soon as you open it before someone. You can take your near and dear ones by surprise with the help of this gadget. Don't worry, it's not at all dangerous or risky. Are you curious about how it works and where you can purchase it from? Well, we'll get back to that in a moment, so make sure to hang around until the end of this video. For now, let's move on to some other wonderful gadgets. Third thumb. Mother Nature has blessed us all with one thumb, and we're more than happy with it. But man is a very innovative creature by nature, and that's how the third thumb came into being. This gadget basically gives you an extra thumb to poke fun at your friends. Joking aside, you can control this thumb as seamlessly as any other finger on your hand. After all, the more the merrier, right? So this extra thumb is bound to come in handy. From grabbing things to doing a lot of other stuff, this gadget will be very useful to you. You can check it out by clicking on the purchase link shared in the description down below. So, if you like the third thumb, do take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. With your thumb, of course. FlexCam Oppie. Do you like taking selfies, making your own videos, or featuring in TikTok clips? If you check any of these boxes, then you may rest assured that this gadget is no less than a boon for you. To put it in a nutshell, this cool-looking gadget is an action camera with lenses fitted inside its 2 tiny but impressive eyes. So, if you're up for something adventurous or looking to make some HD videos, then this camera might just be the gadget that you are looking for. With the FlexCam Oppie, you can carelessly run or jump around. The biggest plus point of this gadget is its stability, which ensures stabilized, high-quality videos. All in all, whether you're looking to take a selfie or make a new TikTok video, do not look beyond this camera. M-Stick. The M-Stick is a multifunctional Bluetooth control gadget which you can use to set alarms or create a timer. That's not all though. This stick can also display an equalizer when music has been turned on, thus setting the stage for an electric party atmosphere inside your living room or bedroom. You can also use it to get the weather updates, keeping yourself abreast of whether the rain gods will prevail or if sun will take center stage. Most importantly, this easy-to-attach gadget can also be used as a headlight or taillight on your bike or bicycle. If you're already impressed with the many utilities of this wonderful device, then there's more to it. Yes, that's right, the M-Stick can also create a range of impressive light patterns when being shaken. A stick has never been so useful before. Tetris Micro Card. Now, you all must remember Tetris, the game that we all played back in the day. After all, childhood games are hard to forget, aren't they? Well, here's one gadget that can give you the perfect opportunity to relive those nostalgic memories. As far as size is concerned, this cool gadget is no bigger than your normal debit card, which makes it very easy to carry around in your pocket. It comes with classically designed buttons on both sides. You can use them to play a wide range of equally classic games. The Tetris Micro Card is an ideal option to kill time. Moreover, considering its size, the gaming console can be easily used along with your keys, or even as a keychain. It cannot get better than that, can it? Moodo. Suppose you're sitting in the comfort of your house and your mood turns romantic out of the blue. But romantic moods don't go well with foul odors, do they? Well, you know you need a romantic fragrance, but how do you actually get it? Well, leave that to this gadget. This is the first of its kind fragrance-emitting device that can be controlled directly from your smartphone. Yes, it's that simple. It comes with the option of giving off several mind-blowing aromas, so when in the mood, all you need to do is tap on a given scent in your mobile app, and the Mudo will cover you in your favorite smell. It is equipped with aromatic fragrance capsules designed by renowned French perfumers. These capsules can completely transform the atmosphere inside your house with their wide range of fragrances. Air Hog Bike. This is a bike toy that not just runs on the ground, but also flies in the air. First and foremost, this is a chargeable toy. The charging cable comes along with the gadget, so that's not an issue. Once fully charged, connect it to its remote controller. As soon as the bike has been connected, its headlights will be turned on and the device will be ready to take off. The controller comes with a button specifically meant for performing stunts. By pressing it in tandem with the other buttons, you can see your bike break into captivating stunts. So there's plenty of skill involved in operating and maneuvering this innovative bike. This toy also comes with important spare parts as well, which ensure that your playing time will not be affected in case a part is damaged or broken. TouchWave Jet. This gadget can help you transform your LED TV into a touchscreen device, thus converting your normal television set into a smart TV. All you need to do is attach it to the top of your television. Don't worry, mounting it is fairly easy. Once the device has been connected, it needs to be turned on. As soon as you switch it on, your television set will turn into a touch-sensitive TV. In other words, your television set will respond accordingly when you touch its screen and will effectively become a touchscreen TV. The best part is that you do not need any additional accessories to put the TouchJet Wave to use. The touchscreen created as a result of this gadget is so responsive that you can easily indulge in some serious gaming on it. Sonic Soak. This smartphone-sized device can clean just about anything in a matter of seconds through the ultrasonic waves it emits in water. And the cleaning is not a superficial one. It performs a micro-level cleansing of the objects in question. Therefore, it will make your clothes and pretty much everything else free of dust and impurities right down to their molecules. All you need to do is put it inside your wash bin, bathtub, or bucket. Now, if there's something you need to clean, say clothes, then you can just immerse them and turn this gadget on. Within just a few seconds, it will cleanse your clothes with a pinpoint precision better than soap. To put it shortly, this device requires no soap, electricity, or hard work and generates no noise whatsoever. So it would be no exaggeration to label the Sonic Soak as a revolution in the field of cleaning. Yellow Jacket. Now, this phone case is a must-have for every girl, regardless of her age. Not only does it protect their smartphones, but it has a built-in stun gun that can also protect the owners themselves, making this the perfect gift for female members in your family to ensure their safety. In case you're wondering how this works, please note that the Yellow Jacket comes with a master arm switch. As soon as the switch is turned on, it gives a jolting shock to the person who comes in contact with it, effectively paralyzing them for a good few minutes. This gives the smartphone owner a chance at making a dash for it. To add icing on the cake, the case also functions as a durable power bank, making sure that the phone never runs out of battery. Fire Wallet. Now, we're back to the gadget you've all been wanting to know more about. At the start of this video, we had shown you a wallet that literally spits fire upon being opened. Also known as the Fire Wallet, it has been designed in such a way that it will set ablaze without burning your precious belongings inside. In addition, the wallet suffers no damage whatsoever in spite of the apparently menacing flames. The truth is that it goes on fire only when you want it to, and that entirely depends on the way you open it. This gadget can be used to prank your friends or take your near and dear ones by surprise. It is available for as little as $2 to $4 on Aliexpress. You can find the purchase link to the Fire Wallet in the video description below. So, that's all we have for you today. Did you like the gadgets we listed out? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, please take a moment to like the video, and in case you've yet to subscribe to our channel, wait no longer and do it right away. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on your routine dose of such jaw-dropping gadgets. Stay safe and have fun. See you in the next video with some more exciting gadgets.